Sorry. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? That was rubbish. Now let me try this again. If I go, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? That's slightly better. Come on, I'm gonna try it once more. And then, yes. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. It's not bad. If nautical nonsense be something you wish, then rub on a neck and flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Thank you, and good afternoon, evening, whatever time it is. Bye.